If you're here today to find out the most necessary essential oil for doing paranormal, then you've come to the right place. Hi everyone, I'm Diana Palm of DianaPalm.com. I'm a medium, author, and spiritual healer. I've done years and years of paranormal research, investigation, and clearing. I've got a very, very important tip to share with you of the essential oil that you should not be doing this work without. So I'm a healer by trade, and I work with the spirit world day in and day out. I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that you may benefit from. And here's a really powerful one that you can use right away. I learned about taking frankincense oil orally from a friend of mine who was battling cancer. And he used to tell me to put a drop on my tongue, lift it to the roof of my mouth, and that it would actually get through the blood-brain barrier. So it would be effective for your brain, and it would go through your entire body. So as a medium and somebody who sees spiritually, I found this really interesting because I had never done this before. So I took the frankincense, put it on my tongue, closed my eyes, raised my tongue to the top of my mouth, and immediately I had spiritual visions. It was like liquid light moving through my entire body. And I knew this was an effect of the frankincense. And then I began to think, of course, this is a powerful oil, and that's why the three wise men brought it to Jesus. That's why it's written about in the Bible and all kinds of ancient religious texts. It's a very, very high vibrational oil, and there's a lot of power and purpose behind it. So once I had seen that it's like liquid light going through the body, I understood that the darkness cannot be in the same space as the light. So if you don't know about the use of frankincense oil and the many healing attributes, I'm going to share a few of the benefits with you. Frankincense can uplift your mood and emotions. It can help enhance and support your immune system. I've even known tons of people that are using it to shrink tumors and help reverse, heal, or alleviate symptoms of all different types of cancer. Frankincense also heightens spiritual awareness. It is used for anti-aging. It can balance your hormones and even relieve pain. However, nobody told me that it could get rid of demons. And I found this to be true, which is why I want to share it with you today. I was actually working with a close friend of mine who had a lot of issues with residual hauntings and reattracting demons and had a really, really difficult time staying clear. On this particular day, the person was in a really bad mood. So oftentimes when somebody is actually being affected by a dark entity or a demon, they are not going to want to be around light workers. They are not going to seek help. They're not even going to be very nice people to be around. And so take a step back and realize maybe it's the influence that they're under and maybe it's not really them. So keep that in mind. My friend was having an issue and was reluctant and obstinate and did not want to receive any kind of help, did not want me to clear him. So it was kind of an experimentation when my friend showed up in a really awful mood, really negative, and had a nasty demon on them. Since he was not willing to let me clear it directly, I just asked him if I could put a drop of frankincense on his tongue. Moments after he did it, he couldn't sit straight up. He began tipping over. When he got up to walk, his knees buckled and went out from under him. And then he began to vomit profusely. Now, when he was done vomiting, he was back to his sweet, normal self. So the frankincense oil literally ejected the entity from his body. I usually advise working with a spiritual professional that can really help you clear entities, demonics, and attachments. However, if you're in a crunch and if something's going on, or right now if you're scared about something in your house, or you suspect that you or a loved one has a dark entity or a demon attached to you, go ahead and try this tool. And you can also use it to stay spiritually clear. So frankincense oil will not just clear negativity, it will literally eject some real negative energies that you're hosting inside your body or in your aura or in your space. Now, when you're using frankincense oil orally, you really want to make sure that you're using a very high grade and pure essential oil. So I use doTERRA, and it is a more expensive oil, but the properties speak for themselves. If you're doing this for spiritual purposes or just for a regular uplift every single morning, 1 drop a day should be fine. So it comes like this. just put a little drop on your tongue. It's a little spicy, it's a little bit hot. And what you want to do now is raise your tongue to the top of your mouth. Ooh. Just for a few seconds. And you can actually feel it go through your system. Again, if you close your eyes, you will see liquid light going and running through your entire body. It'll uplift your moods, keep you healthy, and keep you spiritually clear. You can actually get your own kit of essential oils, and the frankincense is included in that kit. So check out the startup kit below. Thank you so much for watching. This is an extremely valuable tool, and I'm so happy to be able to share this with you along with an experience and what to expect. So make sure you get your frankincense oil, pack it along with your paranormal kit, your health kit, part of your daily plan, whatever it is, but it's something that I think we should all have on hand all the time. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.